Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Asniatin. I from the TBIC study program and I want to tell a story of my experience from studying at home during Corona, and I will tell it in a disaster like the coronavirus pandemic comes. We can find out that there is a slack grab in Indonesian during the online deadline started by the National Coordinator of the Indonesia Education Monitoring Network, Ubaid Matraji, that education carried out remotely due to the COVID-19 pandemic has opened eyes to the condition of education in Indonesia. He also considered that education services in Indonesia were not a major core can in an emergency situation like this. A teacher and the Islamic Strategic School for 20 years. He has been a teacher. According to him, the fact method makes students more focused and essential to understand the lesson. Therefore, the teaching and learning process that he has been optimal because it can only profit to subject pride. All classes are delivered with the help of technology. Sometimes there are technical problems such as signal interference, or other disturbances such as home situations that are not ideal for digesting the lesson. However, he felt that his biggest lack how is now to maintain the attention of his student. It is not ideal condition. On a member of observer and teacher admin that the problem of education in the in the in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic is not the ability of teachers who do not master the subject matter, but how to convey it online. Likewise, condition in Indonesia is Java as taught by pupils. Not all teachers have the same ability to adapt to the age of technology. Meanwhile, on the city of Indonesia, as Java, Helga suggested that training are needed to improve teacher competence of teacher to be able to carry out learning and innovative. Text receive from my friend for health education. For education lesson is to follow the exercise according to the link provided. This activity is then recorded and the video sent to the teacher as proof that the assignment has been done. Even though they admit that assignment from private school are parent, they feel more difficult in their application. All of all of these activities must be accompanied not the meditation. Then I also have to master technology. And the language of instruction at school is English. said my friend, because I still have to work as a lecturer who teaches from home. My friend admitted that the need to try to manage his time so that his responsibilities and student engagement can be completed properly. But according to their mother, elsewhere were not collected to the teacher not to mention if they don't want to mark. So the learning activities at home doesn't last long. Most children doesn't want to watch TV, kids want to watch movies, not lesson, despite understanding the limitation of activities due to the COVID-19 pandemic. As parent Xiao Ten is worried that his children will be left far behind by students in private school. However, many teachers have realized learning from home is a new normal that must be done at least over the next few months. We are not demanding on students the task given is simple. Well, from us, I have tell you about my experiences. So much from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.